Imagine being able to build a full-stack web app, complete with front-end, back-end, authentication, and even hosting, just by typing one simple sentence. Well, that's exactly what a platform called Base44 promises. It claims to turn your ideas into fully working apps in minutes, using nothing but AI. In today's video, we're taking a deep dive into Base44, the AI-powered no-code app builder that's got everyone talking. We'll go through what it is, how it works. Alright, Base44 is an AI platform that lets you create full-featured web applications just by describing what you want in plain English. Base44 will generate everything: the user interface, database connections, authentication, and even deployment hosting. It basically acts as your full-stack developer, designer, and DevOps engineer, all rolled into one. The company behind Base44 was founded by Maor Shlomo, and it has grown fast enough to catch the attention of Wix, which reportedly acquired it for around $80 million earlier this year. That's a big move, and it shows that AI-driven app building is not just a trend. It's the next evolution of how software will be created. Now, alright, so let's actually see how Base44 works in real time. When you first head over to base44.com, you'll notice a super clean and minimal homepage. On the top right corner, there's a button that says Start Building. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, you'll be taken to the sign-up screen. Base44 makes it super simple. You can either create an account manually or just click Continue with Google. That's the easiest option, so I'll use that here. After signing in with your Google account, you'll instantly land inside your Base44 workspace dashboard. No complicated setup, no coding required. And here's where the magic happens. You'll see a sleek interface with a big text box in the center asking, "What would you build today?" This is where you simply describe your app idea. You can type anything you want. Right below that, there are quick inspiration tags like productivity, personal finance, creative tools, health and wellness, and content generation. These help spark ideas if you're not sure where to start. Everything here feels fast, clean, and intuitive. No clutter, no confusion. Just describe your vision and watch it come to life. What really sets Base44 apart from other no-code tools is that it doesn't just give you templates. It builds real, working logic. The backend is automatically generated, and it connects everything together seamlessly. For this review, I decided to test it by typing, "Create a task management app with user login, a dashboard, and task priority filters." After I typed the prompt and hit the orange arrow, Base44 immediately acknowledged the request and started thinking. You can see the middle of the screen switch to a polite, "Creating your app" page with a small animated orb and the message, "This might take a few minutes." That waiting screen is nice because it sets expectations. The system is building front-end, back-end, and database pieces all at once instead of just serving a static template. While the app was being created, the left panel displayed an AI-generated plan. Base44 breaks down its approach into clear, human-readable steps and a list of key features. In my case, it listed things like the task entity fields, title, description, status, priority, due date, a dashboard with task overview and statistics, priority-based filters, low, medium, high, status management, to-do, in progress, done, and a responsive design with smooth animations. This felt like watching a developer write a specification in real time. Very, very reassuring for viewers who worry about what the AI is actually building. You'll also notice that Base44 reported actions it performed while building. Small checkmarks showed that it edited entities/task, edited tasks/task form, edited tasks/task item, edited tasks/task filters, and edited dashboard page. Those are the concrete building blocks. The database model, the form users will use to create tasks, the task listing item, filtering controls, and the dashboard view. Plus, hosting is included. You can click Deploy, and your app goes live instantly on a Base44 subdomain. For beginners or non-technical founders, that's a huge win. One thing I genuinely appreciate is how it empowers non-coders. Not everyone knows how to build a full-stack app, and tools like Base44 are making that barrier smaller every day. It reminds me of how Canva democratized design. Base44 might just do the same for app development. So, final verdict? Base44 is not a replacement for professional developers yet, but it's definitely one of the most exciting AI app builders out there. It's fast, easy, and constantly improving. And with Wix backing it now, I wouldn't be surprised if it becomes even more polished and feature-rich in the coming months. If you want to try it out yourself, I've linked the official website below in the description. Go ahead, experiment with a few prompts, and see what kind of app you can create. And if you do try it, comment below what you built. I'd love to check it out. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to AI LedgerX, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next breakdown on the latest AI tools that are changing the game in 2025. I've got more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and even AI tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching. This is AI LedgerX, where we explore the edge of intelligence. See you in the next one.